What if a factory could measure how thick a liquid is continuously without stopping production or removing sample? That is a question that TU Delft is offering a fully funded 4-year PhD to develop ultrasound systems capable of measuring both flow and viscosity. The position pays between 3,200 and 4,000 euros gross per month. The deadline for this PhD application is 28 August of this year, 2026. The ideal candidate is somebody with training in mechanical engineering, physics, material science, or a closely related field. Your skill set could help solve a problem affecting industries that produce food, medicines, and microchips and other sensitive products. Manufacturers need to know what is happening inside a production line as it happens, but conventional viscosity measurements may require samples to be removed and tested separately. By the time a problem is discovered, products, materials, and energy may have been already wasted. So the project aims to develop modular ultrasound sensing platform that measures viscosity and flow in real time. The work would combine physical modeling and experimental design and sensor development and validation. The strong candidate would move between theory and practical engineering to solve this particular problem. The full link to this particular PhD is below, and you can take a look and apply to solve